As always, 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun in the washing machine until it's just damp. Shirt is already turned inside out and the center line has already been marked. So let's go ahead and fold this in half. And now we're going to create an oval, circle, or whatever you want to go with, so that you can accordion fold off of that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and fold along this line. Alright, go ahead and grab the sinew, tie this up. Go ahead and mark this off. I'm going to go 1 inch on everything on this. Alright, and then we'll just extend the accordion out on this side and do the same thing. Alrighty, off to dye. For this I'm going with black cherry and shiitake mushroom, and both of these are from Dharma. Alright, I'll let that melt through and then we'll go on to the next step. Alright, so it's melted through. I've gone ahead and flipped it over, and I'm going to apply the same colors but opposite. So the ends were the shiitake mushroom, so now it'll become the black cherry, and I'll just work across. Alright, let that melt through, and then it'll probably be washed out. It's been about 36 hours, so I'm going to go ahead and do the washout. Alright, let's take a look. I'll throw that in the washing machine and we'll take a final look. Alrighty, here is the final. It's a little light up here, same way down here. Otherwise, I'm actually, I think I prefer the light up here over the dark part here. Something to think about. So I probably should have gone with just a single ice cube across instead of actually doing, let's say, how it's like this, instead of doing an ice cube for each section. I probably should have used an ice cube to branch across multiple sections like I did on the ends. That looks like that would have created this versus this, which looks quite a bit better. I think the color choices worked really well on this. The black cherry versus shiitake mushroom, it blends really nicely together. But what are your opinions on this? Let me know below, and as always, thanks for watching.